HP is known for its quality hardware components as well as software or other related services, and usually when you are looking to purchase any device, you've probably met many products that were made by them. Today, we are going to make an overview of their all-in-one printer, which is known as OfficeJet 4650. This printer combines an affordable price with many office-centric features which are not often seen with other printers in this price range, but you will hear more about each of them in the following sections where I'm going to talk in details. From a design perspective, the 4650 measures 7.5 inches in height, 17.5 inches in width, 14.5 inches in length, and weighs around 14.43 pounds, which makes it very mobile. This printer is designed for small and home-based offices and features a sleek curvy rounded design with a paper tray that gently slopes into the hopper while the curved face serves for opening the lower tray. As I stated in the beginning, this model is all-in-one, or to be more precise, it can be used as a fax, copier, printer, scanner, and as a duplexer for two-sided printings. So, by default, this means that your productivity will be increased like never before. The 2.2-inch high-res mono touchscreen, which is positioned at the front of the panel, is there to let you make many configurations, such as scaling the legal size pages down, turning them into letter-size copies, and much more. What I love the most about the control panel is that its 2-inch wide arm can swing out from the body automatically in order to serve as an output for the trace paper catch. Since we are living a dynamic life where we have to do everything quickly but effectively, HP has made the OfficeJet 4650 Wi-Fi enabled, so you can connect it to your smartphone or tablet and print what you have to print without the need for a network. You can also take an advantage of the HP Smart app, which is user-friendly and has plenty of settings that will help you control this printer and use all of its capabilities. This application is compatible with both Android OS and Apple's iOS, so regardless of which operating system you're using, you will be able to print without a network by using wireless direct printing. Hence, this model doesn't include an internet as a connection choice and the only wired connection available directly to a PC by using the USB 2.0 cable. But now, let's talk about the performance and the features. The OfficeJet 4650 comes well secured with a protective sheet that is placed on the scanner glass and a strip on cardboard inside. And this is really cool since we are talking about a multifunctioning device. So, HP did a really good job here for preventing any unwanted situations. The startup time is around 16 seconds, which maybe is average, but it takes more than 45 seconds before the first page is printed, so my only complaint about this part is that HP could make this printer a bit faster. However, I want to mention that for a single text page to be printed, it takes about 15 seconds if you're doing it from a computer, and about 24 seconds from your smartphone. Another interesting thing about this model is that it includes features such as HP's ePrint, Apple's AirPrint, and even Google's Cloud Print, so you will be very well equipped and have plenty of printing capabilities. But that's not all. There are plenty of additional features such as an auto document feeder, borderless printing, printing 4x6 photos, and scan to email, so the only thing that it misses is the internet networking capability and the NFC touch to print. This printer is also eligible for HP's Instant Ink program, from which you can really benefit. This means that if you pay a small monthly fee, your printer will automatically notify HP when it is running out of ink, and so HP will then send you a fresh cartridge to your door and ensure that you will always be equipped with ink. The print quality is accompanied by an attractive color saturation and smooth textures on plain paper, while the photos are printed with plenty of detail and well-defined colors. In addition, the photo speed is around 1 minute for a 4x6 inch print, and that is really quick, and it beats most of the printers in the market that share a similar price. This printer can handle up to 100 sheets of paper, and you can print on legal size paper by using the 2.2 inch front panel touchscreen. You can easily scale legal size pages down or turning them into letter size copies as I stated in the beginning. If you use it for scanning, I want to mention that the optical resolution is 1200 by 1200 dpi, with a grayscale depth of 8-bit and a color depth of 24-bit, so you're good to go. This model can be used as a fax machine, as you know, so the maximum transmission speed is around 33.6 kilobytes per second, and the total memory capacity is around 99 pages, which would be more than enough for you in my opinion. Of course, everything depends on your workload, but for the price you pay, this is really good. During the performance, this printer doesn't produce any noticeable noise, which often happens with other printers, so you can be focused on your working tasks and not get distracted by noise that would decrease your productivity. The OfficeJet is also cost-friendly, so you won't spend a large amount of money for refilling and stuff like that due to its thermal inkjet technology. This technology uses thermal energy or electricity for heating up the ink and applies it to a medium, so it does a pretty good job in providing a low-cost expenditure for high-speed printing, while on the other side, it makes the printer print on a variety of surfaces. Another benefit in terms of cutting your cost is a two-sided printing capability, which, as the name states, will allow you to print on both sides of the page and reduce the paper use by up to 50%, which is awesome. To conclude, overall, you should definitely take the HP OfficeJet 4650 into serious consideration due to its quality, durability, low-cost performance, and its tremendous capabilities that will definitely ease your work and increase your productivity like never before. The price tag would be another good reason to do so, and if you ever decide to purchase it, you will definitely assure yourself what I'm talking about. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you want to find out the price and more information about this printer, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. And if you have any questions related to it, you can leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.